Hello, 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 hello. Happy Monday. Welcome to another Blissed In meditation here in the Blissed In Facebook community. And hello to everyone on YouTube who is catching the replay. I hope that you join us for the live meditations at 11:11 a.m. Eastern. All you have to do is click on the first link in the video description to join us there. And there are also motivational talks on Wednesdays that I would love for you to join in on and ask your questions and give comments. It means the world to me to hear from you. Today's meditation is one that I am especially excited about. But first, shout out to Annie for making me this adorable necklace. She put a little star bead on a stretchy string and she gave it to me right before I started this morning, and I'm very excited about it. Today's meditation is one for negative thoughts and for emotional pain. It is one where I'm going to ask you to do something that might be challenging for you, to observe and accept your negative thoughts, your so-called negative thoughts, as a neutral messenger, simply as energy that wants to move through you. And this is going to be challenging for a lot of you. I know it's challenging for me because I do categorize my thoughts in the binary as negative and positive. And when I'm thinking about something that feels bothersome, uncomfortable, I want to get rid of it right away. I want to squash it down. I want to just forget about it. And sometimes my meditation time feels like a struggle, like I'm trying to push that thought out of my mind and replace it with good thoughts. And today I want to offer you something that feels a little gentler. It's inspired by Chris Ferraro in this workshop that I did with her yesterday, and I really loved and enjoyed it. So take this however you'd like. Your total belief and co-signing of this is not important. I just want you to settle in and trust for a moment while I guide you through this meditation for negative thoughts and for emotional pain. So at this time, I want to invite you into the sacred space of peace and calm, one that will hold you warmly, one that will be perfect for your meditation time, for the good and nourishing thoughts that you are going to attract to you by calling them forward, by creating them yourself. If it feels good to you, if it feels comfortable for you, I want you to close your eyes. If not, go ahead and focus on a point across the room or a spot just past your nose and on the floor. Wherever you are sitting right now, try to sit up tall so that a clear path of energy, if you could imagine a road leading from the crown of your head all the way down to your seat, this clear path where energy can flow. Try to release any tension from your body. Relax your shoulders by inhaling your shoulders up to your ears. And with your exhale, go ahead and let your shoulder blades fall down along your spine. If you're holding in your belly at all right now, allow it to be soft. Allow the bottom of your jaw to fall away from the top. Allow the muscles behind your eyes to relax. Take a quick scan of your body from the crown of your head all the way down to your toes, noticing any tension that you might be holding on to, and releasing it with your next exhale. Inhale with me. Exhale, release fully. So in my workshop yesterday with Chris, She talked about thoughts not being able to occupy the same space. I talk about this a lot in my first book, in my meditations with you, in my talks with you. How repeating a positive or nourishing or comforting mantra, a series of words, can take up space in your mind and kind of move any uncomfortable feelings aside. It allows you to focus on something that feels good. But what Chris offered and what I want to offer you today is a way to move the negative energy, what's making you feel uncomfortable, what isn't serving you in the moment, a way to move that energy, those thoughts, out of the way gently, so that something good can take its place. Bring your attention to your easy and effortless inhales and exhales as they are in this moment, not trying to change them at all. Follow the path of your inhale past your nostrils, down the back of your throat, into your chest, your belly. Again, allowing your belly to be soft. And then observing the breath as it travels up and out again and out of your mouth. I often put my thoughts, like many others, into a binary, meaning two separate things, two separate categories, positive and negative. This allows me to understand and know what I want to bring in and hold on to and what I want to let go of, but sometimes that doesn't serve me because I become critical of my negative thoughts. And I become critical of myself for having them. So what if we could, just for this moment, observe all thoughts as neutral? As neutral messengers, just giving us information. As energy that is being presented to us for us to observe, and that only wants to move through us, saying what it has to say, and then moving on. I want you in this moment to think of a so-called negative repeating thought, something that comes up for you a lot. Bring it into your head space, and if it feels comfortable, into your body, your heart space, your belly. Observe it. Check in with how it feels. Sit with it just for this moment. And then observing this thought, imagine a white light surrounding it. A glowing, soft, luminescent white light surrounding this thought. And with your inhale, imagine the light growing brighter. And with your exhale, imagine it being carried away outside of you and into the space around you, further and further, until it's off in the distance. Let's try that again for good measure, just in case it's holding on and wants to hang out for a little while. Inhale, sending energy to the light. Exhale, release it out into the world. You have created space for another thought, for another feeling. You have created space to call something new forth and to allow it to settle into your body and nourish you. At this time, you can think of a hope, a dream, a wish, something for the future, something for today. Bring that thought, that nourishing idea forward. Imagine it entering through the crown of your head, moving through your head space, down that clear path that you created at the beginning of meditation into your heart space, expanding into your belly, inhale, exhale, let it fill and settle in your body. And your mantra, I create space for good feelings to take hold. I create space for good feelings to take hold. I release what does not serve me. I create space for good feelings to take hold. Inhale, fill with love. Exhale, relax into this feeling. Inhale, love. Relax into knowing that it's all good. Inhale, love. Relax knowing all thoughts, all feelings are in service to you. All thoughts, all feelings, whether they feel good, bad, wonderful, uncomfortable, or just energy that want to be seen, observed, acknowledged, allowed, and move through you. All thoughts, negative, positive, good, bad, warm, nourishing, troubling, uncomfortable, are just energy, that want to be seen, allowed, acknowledged. Just energy that want to move. Returning your attention to your breath. Observe how your inhales and exhales might have changed during this meditation. Observe how you feel in your body. how your breath feels as it moves through your body. On the third inhale and exhale, we are going to return to consciousness, to our space, to the outside world. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, start to feel energized by your breath. Exhale, release. Inhale to prepare to open your eyes. Exhale, flutter your eyes open and return to your space. Observe all thoughts, all feelings, all messages coming from in your head and even outside from other people as energy that needs to move. You don't have to hold on to it. You do not have to take ownership of it. Allow it to move through your body and create space for good feelings, for nourishing thoughts, for things that serve you to take hold. Inhale love, and exhale, move everything through. I love you so much. This video will be available for replay always here in the Facebook group and on YouTube. I encourage you to share the YouTube videos with your friends and family and then use them again and again for your own happiness and nourishment. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I will see you soon on Wednesday with another video.